So here we go. We have this 2014 BMW X3. There's some oil leak back here. It's this whole part right here. You know how it is. It have to be changed when they leak. It's not that difficult. It takes maybe a couple of hours. But if you go into a shop and you don't do it yourself, you're probably looking over $1,000 just to do something like that. They should not charge that kind of money. So let me show you the part. We got it right here. Here's the part. That is the part, the new part that's gonna go in. Okay, so it's a 2.0 BMW X3. So we're gonna replace that. Let's see how it goes. It should be fine. Okay, we already took some of the upper parts out of the way, but just keep that in mind. Okay, try to do it yourself in your garage or something, and you're gonna save a lot of money. I'll get back to you once we put that on, the new one. Thanks for watching. So we have taken the cover off. You can see the timing change, the cams and all that. So the leak was from back here, but the issue is, here's the part. This baby right here has a crack. Okay, so here's the new part. Okay, that can be JB Weld or something. It probably works, but we're not gonna take a chance. And remember that a lot of these BMW tend to leak from here. As time goes by, you know what I mean, that have to be replaced. Sometimes you can, but anyway, we're gonna replace the whole part, and then we'll put it back in place, and everything should be good to go. Again, you can do this at your house. It looks kind of challenging, but it's not. Okay, keep that in mind. You will save a lot of money. 2014 BMW X3. Okay, now we can see the finished job. We have the covers up, brand new. See that right there? So that got the problem taken care of. So thanks for watching. See what happens.